Abdomen sign and symptoms, feeling of cold in the abdomen. Feeling of cold in the abdomen. This indicates both a subjective feelings of cold and an objective feelings of cold of the abdomen on palpation. Yang deficiency of the stomach and spleen. Feeling of cold of the epigastrium and abdomen. Dull epigastric pain, poor appetite, loose stool, tiredness, cold limbs, pale tongue, deep weak pulse. Kidney yang deficiency. Feeling of cold in the lower abdomen, backache, dizziness, tinnitus, feeling cold, weakness, bright white complexion, tiredness, abundant clear urination, pale and wet tongue, deep weak pulse. Directing and penetrating vessel, deficient and cold. Feeling of cold in the lower abdomen, central in the case of directing vessel and the lateral in the case of penetrating vessel. Irregular periods, painful periods, infertility, excessive white vaginal discharge, dark rings under the eyes, pale tongue, weak pulse. Stagnation of cold in the liver channel. Feeling of cold in the central lower abdomen, extending to the scrotum, contraction of the scrotum or vagina. Cold hands and feet, white tongue coating, deep wiry pulse. So yung summary po natin, feeling of cold, if the cold, full cold in the stomach, limbs and epigastrium feel cold. Full cold in the intestines, legs and lower abdomen are cold. Full cold in uterus, lower abdomen feel cold. Yang deficiency of heart or lungs, cold hands, sweaty hands. Spleen, stomach yang deficiency, cold limbs and abdomen. Kidney yang deficiency, cold legs, knees, feet, back. Chin stagnation, cold hands and feet, and especially the fingers. Heart blood deficiency, cold hands and chest. Liver blood deficiency, cold feet. Thank you for your attention.